In this video, I am gonna tell you how you can create your own text-to-speak audio for free, which you can use anywhere, for example TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. So let's go ahead and start the video. Firstly, open up your browser and search for Clipchamp. Open the first website and now go ahead and log in. And now click on the create a video option in the top right corner. And now click on the record and create option in the left side, and now click on test to speak. Now you can select any language you want, for example English, French, Punjabi, Hindi, any language you want. You can also select different types of voices. There are a lot of options to choose from. And here you can type whatever you want it to say. For example, let me copy paste this and click on preview.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around in desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
And now click on save to media. Now you can use this audio anywhere in this project, and not only that, you can also export it. You can only download it as an MP4 file, but you can use many different online softwares to convert this MP4 file into an audio file. And for this purpose, I am going to be using TinyWeb website to extract the audio. Go to the website and search extract audio. Click on the first option you see, and now upload the video which you have downloaded from Clipchamp. Wait for the processing to be done. And now you can download the audio file by clicking on the download button.
Thanks for watching and have a nice day.